Caillou and Rosie, thank you for helping Dan shine the traffic signal guide 28468 build his traffic light intersection. You are ungrounded. Caillou, I am taking you to Chuck E. Cheese's.
And Rosie, I am taking you to Peter Piper Pizza.
Rosie, good job beating up Stephanie. She deserves it for ruining your 14th birthday. That's it. You are now super far ungrounded for 9 trillion centuries.
You can hang out with your BFF Dora.
Thank you, Mom and Dad. You're the best.
Wow, Rosie, that was the saddest thing I've heard. Okay, your apology is accepted.
You are now ungrounded. Do whatever you want.
Yay, I can do whatever I want.
Rosie, you behaved on this road trip this time. You're going to be ungrounded for a lot of years when we come back. See, I can't believe you called Hannah and Sapphire cute. When we called Hannah and Sapphire, can't believe you called Hannah and... Rosie, I can't believe you called Hannah and Sapphire cute. When we get home, you are ungrounded for life.
Doris and Rosie, I can't believe you did unground Sonic Awesomes. Doris and Rosie, you are ungrounded forever. Do anything you want.
You don't deserve to be ungrounded, Doris and Rosie, because you are so ugly.
Doris, how dare you be mean to Doris and Rosie? You are grounded for life. Go to your room now.
Why?
Boris, how dare you blame Rosie for everything? That's it. You are grounded forever. Go to your room right now.
Wow.
It's okay. You're ungrounded.
Yay. Thank you, Doris.
You're welcome.